crafters, and welcome to maxdmcrafting. Couple of weeks ago, or maybe a couple of months ago, my friend Alexander Penner sent to me these beautiful pieces from the dungeonoffitz. These are in MDF, guys, and was a really fun build them to put them together. And now it's the moment to paint them. And actually I never paint MDF pieces in my life before. I want to try all my arsenal for customize these pieces and make them more interesting and actually unique. For this video, for sure I will use this one that is actually not so big, not too small, and yeah, let's see what I can achieve with these pieces. By the way, guys, these pieces are beautiful. Look at them. They are completely modular, playable inside. I think this is a 28mm scale. Very nice stuff, guys. So crack on.
This episode was not sponsored by dungeonoffitz. Anyway, my friend Alexander Penner sent to me these beautiful pieces, so yeah, I will give them a try. And as you can see, the MDF is laser cutted very nicely. Pieces are coming out very easily, and they are very easy to build. It took me half an hour to build this entire set, and actually this is a set for this swamp village shack on the Stilts. The only point is that yeah, the instruction, they come in German so it's yeah, it's quite difficult to read, but they are very simple, so there is no problem. I want that you note that I'm keeping all the sprues that I will use later on for the customization of one of these pieces. Little bit of super glue and the pieces are coming together very nicely. And this is the first time that I'm actually mounting a big set of MDF pieces, and it was a lot of fun. As you can see, the roof are pre-cutted in the MDF, but you have a lot of heavy pieces of cardboard or lighter pieces of MDF, and you can customize your roof with shingles like that. Look at that, beautiful. I suggest you to check the dungeonoffitz. The link is in the description box below, guys. And actually I'm falling in love with this MDF. It's very fast building. I don't know if it's something that is correlated with my passion for Lego, but yeah, it's very fun to build stuff piece by piece. As you can see, for the pieces that are already easy to put together, I'm using PVA glue, because at the end the bondage is much more strong and you have better results in the end. And that's it. In a few passages, I told you, 20 minutes, half an hour of building, I finished everything, and this is the result. Nice. Now time to paint.
If you think that my work is somehow inspirational, please consider to support me through Patreon or PayPal. Just offer me a coffee. I'm Italian, you know that. I love very much coffee. So for you just €1, €2, $1, $2, and for me is all the support in the world. Let's back to work. Try with them all. Maybe this is too much. This is actually working. Quite a job, but it's worth it. So guys, what do you think? I'm quite satisfied. Actually, was a lot of fun and not so much time consuming. So I think this is my new love. I love MDF. Actually, with very few effort, you can reach great results. So thank you, Alexander, for this beautiful piece, and I think I see you all the next time. Ciao!